Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2023 Great Wall Cannon Ute, stock number 6475. This ran from the 9th 2020 to the current shape. It has a GW4D 2 litre 4 cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a GW4D 2 litre 4 cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left front door. Left rear door. Right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door code. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.